Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you how to bring your own device and use your Optoma Creative Touch Interactive Flat Panel as the perfect collaboration tool. You heard me right, Internet. Optoma Technology, a world leader in 4K display technology, is releasing interactive flat panels, or IFPs for short, in 3 easy-to-use sizes, perfect for the classroom and boardroom alike. Anywho, let's head over to the boardroom and see what this BYOD business is all about. Power on your Creative Touch IFP and select ScreenShare. Using the browser on your PC, Mac, or mobile device, enter the web address found on the Creative Touch IFP's display, optoma.com/IFP. Here you can choose the app download for your particular platform. If you're using an iOS or Android device, you can also just scan the QR code on the IFP screen to access the download page. After installing, open the app and enter the 6-digit PIN displayed on the Creative Touch IFP's screen. On your PC or Mac, simply click Start to mirror your computer's display to the Creative Touch IFP. If you're using the mobile app for your iOS or Android device, you have several more options. You can mirror your device's screen to the Creative Touch IFP by pressing the Start button at the top and following the prompts. You can also play music, display photos or files, access your device's camera when mirroring, use your mobile device as an air mouse, and open the IFP's applications directly from the app. The ScreenShare app also has an incredibly useful collaboration tool. If you press the desktop function at the bottom, the Creative Touch IFP will wirelessly display its screen to the screens of any mobile devices connected to it and in desktop mode. Now, in desktop mode, collaborators can wirelessly view, control, and annotate directly from their mobile devices. And that pretty much sums up BYOD using the ScreenShare app for your Optoma Creative Touch IFP. Stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you never miss out on anything we post, and don't forget to visit us at optoma.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.